Today we will draw a comet. We will need brown, orange, red, and yellow. If you don't have brown, you can use black. If you don't have orange, you can use only red and yellow. Now let's start. First we will need brown. Draw a giant rough rock in the center. Then you can color it, and then in another shade of brown or the same shade, you can just add circles in it. And if you don't have a whiteboard marker or pen, you can use a pencil. Now we'll go to the red. We'll make 2 dots from where you want the flame. And then you draw a giant piece of flame here. Then get the orange, draw an orange flame. And then get the yellow, draw a tiny little flame. And then color it. And then let's add some spark. Some yellow spark. Around the meteoroid. Then some orange spark. All around and going in between each other. Then we put some red spark. The red is the brightest. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And then let's add some stars. I'm going to start here, and start here. Now let's color it. Now we're finished. I believe that you will make a beautiful drawing and you can share with me. Take a photo of your drawing and post on any social media like YouTube, Facebook, or any other, or ask your parents to post it. Add the hashtag #JoinWithAlisa. I love to see and comment all of your drawings. Thank you very much. Bye!